Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use star codes in Roblox. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now first up, go ahead and go to your Roblox icon right here at the very top. Just tap on it, wait for it to load, and you'll be able to see your available balance and all the purchasable Robux. Okay. Now what we're going to do here is just select a Robux amount, for example, this one. Just tap on the price. Okay. Continue with the payment process right here, just like so. Wait for the process to finish. Now, once you have your balance right here, you can now go ahead and scroll all the way down. Okay. And at the very bottom, you will have the option support a star. Okay. So just tap on it, enter a code. For example, you'd like to support Flamingo or Creek. You can just type down their name. And some names or codes are case sensitive. For example, Flamingo, you might want to type down capitalized F. And the rest will be small letters. Okay. For Creek or Creekcraft, you can go ahead and use uppercase C for Creek and uppercase C for Craft as well. For Lanky Box, if you want to, you can go ahead and type down capitalized letter L and capitalized letter B. Okay. And once that's done, you'll have the big add button. Just tap on it. And after that, you're good to go. It will give you a pop-up that shows that you're supporting them. And then you'd want to complete the purchase as normal. Get the full Robux amount as well. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.